Hey guys, so today in a very quick video, I'm going to show you how to grow lots of lettuce. If you already have an outdoor lettuce bed that may have been damaged by deer like mine, if I were you, I would go and pluck out the best looking ones that, are still young, still survived the attack, and bring them indoors and grow them in a Kratky style hydroponic box. Okay, but if you don't have lettuce outside like this, you can always start some seed and a little bit of soil. After about 3 to 4 weeks, when they're old enough, you can rinse off their leaves and do what I'm doing right now. Okay, but today I'm going to save these little lettuce babies from my garden because the deer got in and they pretty much demolished my fall garden, which was doing pretty great. I'm going to show you some pictures. It was doing pretty great. And they just came in and ate everything. And this was only saved because they trampled onto some fencing that fell over on the bed, and it kind of kept them protected. Once I washed off all the soil, I brought them inside, rinsed off their roots once again with soapy water just to make sure there's no bugs or any eggs or anything on there, because these are going to be grown indoors and this is how they should look. I let them sit in some water for a day or two to kind of recoup after being traumatized by me. And then I put them in these pool noodles or insulation tubes with a little wedge to hold them in place like so. You want the roots to poke out at the bottom because the root has to touch your hydroponic water solution mixed with the hydroponics plant food fertilizer. Okay, plant food / fertilizer. So I know they look a little wimpy and sad and whatever, but they will look beautiful in about 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, even 2 weeks they look really good. But this is how I grew my saved lettuce starts from outside inside. And, this was supposed to be a fall lettuce bed, but maybe next year, I do have to work on my fence. My fencing is a pallet fence, and the deers were able to rip through deer fencing and came in and just pretty much ate everything. All the starts that I, started in July for a fall garden, they ate everything. Cabbages, Brussels sprouts, kales, broccoli, they ate it all. Anywho, after I put all the sad looking little plants in here, this is about 3 weeks after. So like I said, they will survive. They will look good. Just give it some time and some patience, okay? The hydroponics plant food that I use, I'll link it down below in the description box. It is a bit pricey, but you really only need 5 mLs per grow box, and you can use it for a very, very long time. I think salad's like $6-7 a bag now. And this would be a great way just to save a couple dollars when you go grocery shopping by growing it yourself at home. It is cheaper to buy these storage boxes in a set rather than the dollar store, which they will be $1.25. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you share it with your friends who are also trying to grow indoors. See you soon in another video. Bye, guys.